you see a magic show.
Are you looking to add something unforgettable to your students or campers? Big laughs, big reactions, and students talking about it for weeks to come? Hi, my name is Brenden Trojan, a professional magician and mentalist. I've had the privilege of performing family-friendly entertainment all across the country for school assemblies, libraries, festivals, fairs, camps, and so many more. I specialize in helping them take their event to the next level. That means creating wonder, excitement, and connection between families and students that's going to leave them talking about this event long after it's over. But don't just take my word for it. Listen to what they have to say.
I couldn't say enough good about Brenden Trojan's show.
We were so excited to have Brenden Trojan to perform for our incoming freshmen.
Our school had Brenden Trojan today, and he performed for over 500 kids at our summer camp.
I already have 3 emails in my inbox saying, can we bring him back? This was amazing. We had so much fun.
He did wonderful with all ages, the parents. He made sure everyone was engaged.
He was funny. His magic was amazing. His mental tricks were amazing.
Before he even started the show, he was visiting with our guests, interacting with the kids and parents, and was very, very approachable.
He did such a great job.
You will definitely be hearing from me. Hollins loves you, and we can't wait to have you back.
I'm already planning to invite him back for next year, so take advantage of this great performer and don't miss out.
I work closely with your committee to make sure your school assembly, fair, camp program, whatever it may be, is a resounding success. And the result of this is 5-star reviews from every single event. The most popular options is either close-up magic, a stage show, or both. The stage show is the ideal way to bring entertainment to your entire school or camp at once. This hilarious high-energy show blends magic, mind reading, and audience interaction in a way that's going to leave your students and campers amazed and entertained. Close-up magic is perfect for proms, carnivals, or any event where students are mixing and mingling. This highly interactive magic happens right in your students' hands, gets them interacting with each other, and leaves them speechless. It's a fantastic way to kick off your event with energy and excitement. The best part about this, each and every event is designed specifically with your students in mind to make sure it's 100% clean, gets everybody involved, and leaves them absolutely amazed, so they're going to be talking about it for a lifetime. Contact me today, and let's give your students something they're going to treasure for a lifetime.